This walk starts about 2 kilometres to the south east of Forster, and it's on the Forster Bicentennial Walk. From Bennetts Head Lookout we walk south and then across some sand hills before rejoining the track and walking along a really nice raised walkway past the golf course. From there we'll walk along the beach and also along a track between the houses and the bush before rejoining the beach and walking to the end. From here it's a climb up along the road before descending back down and finishing the walk at Burgess Beach. At the Bennetts Head Lookout there's a small monument to the memory of those who lost their lives at sea near Cape Hawke. Now this lookout also gives great views across the sea and across the Black Head. To the left off camera is the entrance into Wallace Lake. Bennetts Head itself is quite rugged. That's the local whale and dolphin watching tour boat. We start a walk along the remainder of the Bicentennial Walk, and about 100 meters along there's a really nice picnic area, obviously loved by many others. We can also look back to the lookout perched on top of the cliff. A short distance along we come to the end of the main pass and climb down the steps, and at the bottom we will turn left up into the sand dunes. Here we get great views across 1 Mile Beach, and as we walk across the sand dunes we will see the rocks at the end of the beach. We'll walk down to those along the beach as warned it. So we'll leave the sand dunes and take the path back down to the road. Heading towards the 4th green at the golf course for a few meters we turn left back up the sandy path. We'll be turning right on a return from the beach, but first we'll explore the beach a little bit more. The sand is very soft, so the walking is quite hard work, but arriving at the rocks, the view along the beach is quite rewarding. Returning to the track, we arrive at the footbridge, then climb up to the walkway. This walkway is quite delightful. It has identification signs on many of the trees and plants, and also seats where you can sit and rest. Arriving at the end of the walkway, we can now walk along the beach or use the walkway between the houses and the bush on the foreshore. We'll rejoin the beach and walk to its southern end. There is a viewing platform and seat there thanks to the Lions Club. This is a great spot to view the beach and have a rest. Definitely worth sitting here for a few minutes. The Surf Lifesaving Club here has a cafe open most of the time, but not today. We'll continue up onto the road and climb up over the hill and then descend towards Burgess Beach. And there is a small car park and a path leading down to the beach. It is a really nice beach. Now we're going to climb up to the lookout by going back to the car park and crossing this grassy area and following the path.